Si Gladys, yung matigas na
ay, kaya kasi na yun. Pero yung bukasin pa rin.
It's so fun. Over time.
Ha? Oo, yan. Gusto ni Jim sa loob yung parang di kita. Ay, sabi nung ano.
So for what I'm gonna do? Enjoying sofa world. It was fun. It was fun. Enjoy now. It's fun. This is so fun, much fun. This is now fun. So silly. Oh.
Ano na ganito? Ako nagtapos nito eh. Ako nagtapos. Hindi naman talaga parang ganyan rin.
Help me.
Hotdog at itlog pala yung ulam ni Jim. At saka ang baon din na itlog.